Warmup-1 monkeyTrouble with Java. We have two monkeys, A and B, and the parameters A smile and B smile indicate if each is smiling. We are in trouble if they are both smiling or if neither one of them is smiling. Return true if we are in trouble. So before we go over the problem samples, let's first reiterate what the problem statement says. So the parameters we receive are both Boolean values, the first being A smile, the second being B smile. We return true if we are in trouble. So true if in trouble. And the conditions for if we are in trouble is if either both are smiling or if none of them are smiling. In other words, if both are smiling and true, or if neither are smiling. So false and false. For people who are unfamiliar with Boolean operators, and is actually is a Boolean operation, also denoted like this or like this, which basically just says both of the conditions have to be met, or is false. So in this case, what we're saying is that either both of them smile, in which case we are in trouble, or none of them smile, in which case we are also in trouble. So the problem sample cases also reflect this. So here we'll see that because both are smiling, we return true, as you can see. Next, both are not smiling, so both are false and false, so we return true. Here, one is smiling, but the other is not. As you can see, we don't have a case where we say one is smiling and the other is not. Both in the allowed conditions, or rather the allowed circumstances are that both have the same emotion. So because they're different, we just return false. So let's implement this. So the first case is if both are smiling. So we say if A smile equals true and B smile equals true, we return true. The other case for when we're in trouble is if A smile equals false and B smile equals false, or they're both not smiling. If none of these conditions hold, then we just return false. And as you can see, this works.